Hello and welcome to SyncEasy. Today I'm going to take you through the PropertyMe to SimPro integration. The PropertyMe to SimPro integration will allow you to sync your properties and contact details from your PropertyMe database from your real estate agent over to SimPro for easy processing of jobs. The PropertyMe to SimPro integration will allow you to connect your PropertyMe contact database, tenants and landlords and sync them over to SimPro. Automatically sync across your tenant and landlord contact details to SimPro for easy creation of your jobs. The integration allows you to sync your PropertyMe database into SimPro, sync over tenants and landlords and all their contact details, sync names, contact details, property addresses, and any custom fields over to SimPro. This reduces the need for you to create manual work order requests with your agent. This integration is ideal for smoke alarm testing businesses, electrical and safety testing companies, plumbing and gas companies, HVAC teams, and fire and safety workers. The PropertyMe to SimPro integration will sync over properties and create them as new sites in your SimPro customer account. The property manager will go as a site contact property manager contact into the notes area, the tenant over as site contact tenant or tenants if there are multiple tenants, and the landlord will sync as the site contact landlord. You will also have the option to exclude landlord data from the integration sync if you wish to not include that. We offer a seamless alternative to Detector Inspector, 1300 Smoke Alarms, and Smoke Alarms Australia. In summary, the PropertyMe to SimPro integration by SyncEasy will allow you to auto-sync the entire property database or selectively import properties based on a certain label you set up in PropertyMe, so that only the properties with that label will sync over to SimPro. You'll receive automatic notifications when new properties are added and also when properties are archived. Tenant and property details are kept automatically in sync, so as tenants and landlord details change, they'll automatically change and update in your SimPro account within minutes. We're an authorized integration partner approved by both applications, PropertyMe and SimPro. SyncEasy has 10 years plus of expertise in integrations. We have 50 plus deep integrations and are official partners with every single software platform that we connect with. SyncEasy has recently obtained SOC 2 Level 2 certification, demonstrating our commitment to data security and privacy. You can read more at syncezy.com/security. We offer 24-hour day, 5-day-a-week technical support for whenever you require it. I'll now show you an example of property data syncing over to your SimPro account. So in our field pairing in the integration, we have all of the standard field pairing there ready to go for you. Address details. With SimPro, we have the property type. We can add bedrooms, bathrooms, car spaces, key number, notes, manager name, etc. all synced over to the public notes, which I'll show you in SimPro in a moment. We also allow you to sync and pair up multiple fields from PropertyMe to SimPro. So you can choose any of the 40 to 50 fields available in the API on the PropertyMe side and pair them up with any fields that you like, including custom fields created in SimPro, and pair them up and sync that data over as well. It's quite flexible in the contact pairing and the property pairing, so you can add extra field pairing as you wish and as you require it. Showing you some things I've synced over before, some properties I've synced over earlier. So here in my customer in Westbourne Grammar in SimPro, you'll see that I have multiple properties synced over based on a label that I set up, Mat Inspection. Going into the 42 Marine Parade as an example site, you can see the address data is all synced over. Under the contacts, we have the tenant there. And then in the notes, so the tenant has the mobile number and email address. And you can see also in the notes where we've paired up, with SimPro, they don't have standard other fields for a property manager and things like that, so we sync that over to the public notes for the property. So the manager name, they're all laid out neatly within the notes. You can see key number, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, any notes coming from PropertyMe, the key number, and the property manager name also. All of these details are there ready for you to easily create your jobs and start your work as required. If you would like a no-obligation demonstration on this integration or have any questions or would like to discuss this further with our sales team, please email sales@synceasy.com. Thank you.